In this video, we are going to learn about inline versus block elements. First of all, make a new file, copy the previous code, change the title to inline versus block elements, remove the body section. We will write all the elements we have learned so far. First comes the heading. Second is the paragraph. Third is link. Give it a reference. Fourth is image. Give it a source. Save the file and click on live preview. Give the necessary attributes and save it. When I click on headings, we see that it takes the full page. See, but the height is automatically adjusted. Similarly, when I click on paragraph, it takes the full space while the height is adjusted. But in case of links, it will take just this much space, the required amount actually. And similarly, in case of images, it takes this much space. See? So basically, in case of block elements, we do not need to write break. It automatically starts the next element from the next line. While in case of inline elements, we need to specify the space it will take. Otherwise, it will adjust the space according to its need. Like this, we can distinguish between block and inline elements. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to learn about iframes.